Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing apps, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to remove your video background without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you import your video into the timeline in Filmora video editing app, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure the video is active. So go ahead and click on the video. Then after you click on the video, slide this way. Continue to slide until you get to Smart Cutout. Go ahead and click on Smart Cutout. Having click on Smart Cutout, then you have different options right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Remove Background. Once you click on Remove Background, you can see removing background just like so. And in a few seconds, all the background of the video is going to be removed. Allow the Smart Cutout to complete the work, just like what you see right here. Once the work is done completely, go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And with that, the background of the video is going to be fully removed without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Filmora video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.